Hear ye, hear ye. Have no fear. The R1 is here. Okay, boys and girls, as you can see, the R1 is here. If you're new to the channel, well, we're here working on 2012 Yamaha R1rebuild edition. We just got it back from the shop after a week and a half, and it got a good bill of health. So now we're about to tear into this thing, and we actually got some parts that we need to go over to show you what is about to happen to this bike. So guys, stay tuned, and like always, let's get to work.
Like Christmas.
Merry Christmas yet, baby.
Ooh.
Okay, so we got a nice tail here with a little bit of damage. And this is the reason why it has little scuff marks here. But we're replacing this fairing because over here, you guys, come check this out. Over here, this fairing is completely cracked. So this one is a lot better fairing. Actually, the paint's actually pretty good match. Just need to do a touch up here with the paint. So definitely we're gonna have to do some painting on this thing. Next on the list, oh, nice undertail piece. Again, come over here guys, let me show you this. A new undertail piece is actually a used one, but if you can see right here underneath, it's missing a huge chunk out of it. So we definitely wanted to replace that to make everything right. So we actually went with the same one right here. All right guys, you probably pretty much can see what this is, but we still need to take it and check it out. Okay, so we have a nice looking frame. Don't seem to be bent at all. Definitely gonna check it over before we start putting parts over it onto the new one. So guys, if you're just now joining us, this frame on this bike is a salvage frame. The bike has been re-registered, so it's good for the state, but we don't want to use this frame. We want to actually go with this new frame that has a clean title on it. So we have a lot of work to do to transfer all of these parts over to the new frame. So guys, let's not waste any time. Let's get to work.
Let's
What
is that?
Full toolbox.
It's a full toolbox in there? Does every bike come with one of those?
Yeah, once I figure out how to open this thing. There we go.
Wow.
Screwdriver, you know, quick tools. I never had a bike that had all these tools in it.
Nice. And where was it? Just right there?
Yep.
Looks like a transformer. Lithium ion battery. It's a pretty nice looking battery. Yeah, it is.
So anytime you take your wires out, make sure you lay this down with this side up on something flat so you don't mess up the inside of the balance on this tilt sensor. Okay guys, we made a lot of headway on the bike. Unfortunately, I was trying to get this off today to the rear. I was trying to get this rear tail section off, but I don't have the right kind of Torx bits, so I'm gonna have to go pick some up tomorrow. So actually, I started getting the exhaust, so I said I figured I'll just wait till tomorrow because right now it's getting kind of late here. I kind of got a late start after picking up the bike. And so here are all the pieces that are just sitting right here, chilling for the new frame when we get ready to put it back on. So guys, give me some suggestions. What y'all think we should do on this thing? Should we keep the factory stock paint job or should we go with something a little custom? So guys, y'all let me know what we should do. But the game plan for tomorrow, we're gonna come in and we're gonna try to get the whole swing arm off, the front forks off, the tail section, basically get as far as we can in one segment. That's the plan, to go ahead and get this thing done in 4 days. 4 days. So, all right guys, so you already know the master plan. So guys, we coming back in here tomorrow. We're gonna hop on this thing hard. I mean, I'm sweating. We're gonna go right into it. We're not gonna delay any time. So guys, you already know the deal. Hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.